Crave sent us their Protection Series case for our review, and we have just started to try them out today, all day long, and I already love it. Now, we used to have these ones on both our iPhone 16 Pro Maxes, and the phone is right here. What a beauty. You want to protect this, obviously. But I want to show you exactly what this phone case looks like. Love the little logo right here, but the cutouts, the precision of the cutouts and how the buttons work, I think they work incredibly better than the ones that we had before. Love that you have some protection, not only for the back, right here, obviously, but bumpers on the corner, bumpers on the camera. I mean, let me put it on and let me try this one here like this. Let me turn off the phone. Look at that. It fits perfectly. You can see the bumper going around it like that. It actually will protect the screen, will protect the lenses of the camera. Love this little kind of grippy. Now, I had a big problem with the silicone cases because when you put it in your pocket, kind of just like, it's too grippy that it just doesn't want to go in, and sometimes just pops out. This one here, no problems whatsoever. You just slip it in, slip it back out, and it is still grippy as far as not sliding around a table, which is a great thing. They come in a variety of colors, of course, a variety of different sizes depending on the phone that you have, but I highly, highly recommend these Crave cases.